Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to create a receipt template that small businesses can use, for example at a craft show. To start, we'll head over to Creative Fabrica's studio to design our template. First, let's set up a new canvas. Click on Create New Design. For this tutorial, I'll be using the preset A4 document. Now, let's add the essential elements of a receipt. Begin by inserting a text box for your business name. Make this big and bold so it stands out. Studio offers a variety of fonts, so choose one that aligns with your brand. Next, add your logo next to the business name. If you don't have one, you can search for an image in graphics. At the bottom of the page, add your contact information. I also like to add a rectangle behind the text and adjust the color for a professional look. Next, let's create a table with columns using basic shapes. First, duplicate the shapes to form a single row. Once the row is complete, duplicate it multiple times, stacking the rows vertically. Label the top row with item, quantity, unit price, and total. This will allow you to clearly list the purchased items and their prices. Group the table by selecting all the shapes and pressing Group on the right side. This way we keep a good overview in the layer window. Above the table, add labels for invoice number, bill to, and date. And below the table, leave space for the subtotal, tax, and the total amount. To give your receipt a more polished look, consider adding a border or some simple design elements. Finally, save your template as a PDF for easy printing. And there you have it, a custom receipt template ready to use for your business. Thanks for watching.